Hey babes, welcome back. It's Sharice here, living for the city, and you know what time it is. Now listen, technically I'm not late because it is actually October. It's actually Halloween today, and I'm filming October's Birchbox. Now, I know I normally do this, I should have done this a couple weeks ago, so I'm late in that sense, but it is still October. So we're about to dig into our two, as you can see, Birchboxes. So, this is my usual Birchbox, right? So let's open this first, and then I will share with you an extra treat that I got to. Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at this box! Screams Halloween in October. I actually like this box. It is like a fluorescent orange. Okay, so here is my Birchbox, and it actually says trick or treat. The treatment step is the most personal part of your skin care routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's like creating your own personal magic potion. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. So I'm actually going to share this with you guys. This is kind of cute. Obviously on the back you're gonna see everything that we got this month, which is really nice. And so if you're new to this channel, I do a monthly unboxing of my Birchbox. Birchbox isn't one of the, I actually thought it was very well known, but actually it isn't. It's like BoxyCharm and Izzy seem to be one of the two boxes that everyone loves. So I don't know. Now I don't remember picking this month's box, so here we go again. Once again, here are all of the items that I got in my box. And so first up is the NuFace, which I actually do like this product because I have it already. Prep and Glow cloths. So there are two they gave me. Prep and Glow cloths. These double-sided cloths wipes these, I can't talk today. These double-sided wipes clean, exfoliate, and hydrate. The soft lace cotton side removes makeup while the other gently exfoliates with micro dots to reveal glowy skin. Prep and Glow cloths. And I'm going to, in the description below, I'm going to list for you all of the products that I'm getting today, okay? Next is R+CO's High Dive Moisture and Shine Creams for the hair. It's formulated to smooth and seal the hair cuticle. This cream softens, fights frizz, and enhances shine. I think I may have gotten this before. I'm not quite sure. You know how I feel about hair products, okay? First time sampling Specific Beauty. So this is a newbie to Birchbox. Okay, it's called Specific Beauty. It's a Radiant Repair Night Cream. This heavy-hitting blend of retinol, the holy grail of anti-aging, niacinamide, I don't know if it's niacinamide, a proven brightening agent, and shea butter enhances clarity and evens your skin tone. I'm in love. Every night after cleansing, gently massage a thin layer onto your face and neck until it's fully absorbed. This is new to Birchbox, so that's awesome. One of the best sellers is VASANTI's BrightenUP Exfoliating Enzyme Face Rejuvenator. I love this product. Every time I get it, they can send this to me every month and I would not mind, okay? Because this right here, it's an enzymatic face rejuvenator. It's an exfoliator. It tackles dullness, uneven skin tone, dark spots, and wrinkles. Plus, it helps all of your other products absorb up to 20% better. Love this product, okay? It is the best exfoliator I think I've ever used. I mean, it really, I can't say anything else about it except for if you don't have this, you need to try it. That's all I'm gonna say about this situation. Next up is KIEHL. This is the first time for this product in Birchbox. Now we already know that we get KIEHL in Birchbox, but this is the first time that they are sampling this product. It is the Youth Dose Eye Treatment. I Love a good eye cream. I actually just started, I have a ton of eye cream and really just started using them because I saw a picture of myself, and in the picture it looked like I had some crow's feet, and I was like, excuse me? That's what we're not going to do. Okay, that's what we're not going to do. So this is a Euself eye treatment. This eye cream saves you stress now and later. It's tinted and instantly brightens your eye area and also contains retinol to reduce dark circles and fine lines over time. Use a little pea size under the eye and gently tap, 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 tap. Okay. Sounds like a good one. All right. Last but certainly not least is Lancome's Juicy Tube Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in Tickled Pink. It came in like a little pouch here, so I'm gonna take it out. It's an ultra shiny lip gloss that glides on smoothly to impart a sheer wash of glossy deep pink by Lancome. You can't go wrong with it. They're always a good one. And I'm gonna put it on my hand real quick just so I can see. Ooh, that's luxurious. Very slight hue of pink, but it's going to more so make that gloss, which is what you really want, with a little light pink hue. Ooh. Juicy, baby. Hey, I just put some on my shirt. Great. Ooh, and it smells good. Yummy. Okay, so that is it for this month's Birchbox, and 6 products again, you guys. So as I was saying before, Birchbox, it's the real deal if you want high-end beauty products. Now, you know, I've tried others. I've tried Target. Everyone's pretty much tried Ipsy. I feel like Ipsy is more makeup. Where's that BoxyCharm? One of them is like more makeup than the other. So I always feel like you know, Birchbox never disappoints me as long as I pay. And I didn't pick that one, and I actually am very happy about it. Next up from Birchbox, I'm excited about this one because, again, I need scissors. Son of a... Oh, please. And we're back. So, I'll tell you right now, I've been struggling with my brushes. And so I got new brushes. I'm really, really excited. I got a couple things. So, this is everything that I got. Okay? And so first up are these brushes. Now, it's by Coastal Scents. I actually have a couple of their brushes. I had a couple of their brushes already, so I was just comfortable with them. And they last me for a really long time, so I'm really excited to get this 16-piece brush set. And the thing that I like about this is, look on the back. It tells you every single brush in here and how to use it. So your concealer brush, your smudger, your large fluff, dome channel blender, fine liner, tapered powder, angle, blush, kabuki, like everything. Small liner and brow, like it gives you everything, because I'm not really good with, I have like 3 brushes that I use, and I'm good with those 3. And they listen, they go for everything too. Like, I don't play around. I'm like, that works. And it's probably obviously not the right brush. Or I shouldn't say that. It's probably not the most effective, right? So I probably could be using other brushes. But look at this cute little case it came in. Cute, right? Ta-da! Aren't you guys pretty? Cute little case. I probably won't leave it in the case because I have another thing I put my stuff in. But really soft. Really pretty. I probably shouldn't have put it there. That's where I have my, ooh, really pretty and soft. Are you supposed to wash your brushes before you use them? So, listen. Y'all already know. I don't know what I'm doing. I just use them and use them, okay? But I mean, really, I'm literally getting, look at all these little baby brushes. Cute. I like this. I'm very excited about this, I gotta tell you. And then I also got a couple other things. I don't even remember what I got. So this is a Beauty Blender Defender, which you are to put your beauty, you're supposed to put your beauty blender in here, and I guess it keeps it free from like bacteria and germs. It just protects it. It's like a little protective case. And I have my beauty blender. I mistakenly one time took my beauty blender, and a little story time, I took my beauty blender and I must have been away somewhere. I don't know where I was, but I wet it like you're supposed to, and I put it back in the case and like went on about my business, and then used it like the next day, day after, and next thing I know, like it must have been wet for too long. Like I didn't allow it to dry before I put it in the case, and it like got, I guess, bacteria and stuff all of it, and literally transferred to my face. So I had like around my eyes, you know, I thought, I'm like, oh my God, what is this? This is really just a silicone case. It's really just a silicone case. So I don't know. But I'm going to try it and put my beauty blender in here. But yeah, so I ended up, I was hurt for a while. It was a hurt piece. I was a hurt piece for a minute. So I got that. Excited to use this, actually. I can't get it back in the thing, though. Great. Oh, there we go. And then finally, what's this? Oh, I forgot about this. So because I spent $50, I got a free, you get like free, that's the great thing about Birchbox. So if you spend so much money, they give you free items, and you can get to choose which free item you want. But anyway, I got a full size Cha-Cha Tint by Benefit. And this is a, now I don't know about you, but I love lip tints. And so this is, it's mango tinted. It's a lip or cheek stain. I love lip stains. I feel like they, does anybody else feel like they last longer than lipsticks? I feel like they do. So this is it looks like nail polish, doesn't it? But it's a lip stain or cheek, whatever you want to do. But I was like, yes, this is, I'm feeling this. Cute. I love the packaging. It's really pretty and shiny. I like anything rose gold. So this is really pretty. And so I'm excited to use this because, again, love me a lip stain. Okay, so that is everything that we got from Birchbox this month. So really did have a great Birchbox this month, so I'm excited to use all of these products. Next month, I'm going to share with you, by the time you see this next month, it's already here. Okay, great. So next month, I'm going to share with you some of my Birchbox favorites, okay? Some empties is what it's called, and some things that you just probably need to have in your arsenal. Because I always share with you what I get, but I never share with you like what I really love, like that VASANTI exfoliator, the enzyme exfoliator. So I feel like I need to start sharing that with you, because what's the point of all this if you don't even know how well it does, right? So I promise you that we're gonna start doing that. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you are not already subscribed to this channel and this is your thing, beauty, unboxing, all that good stuff for every city girl, because all of us city girls, we need to stay on trend and we need to keep up. So if this is your thing and you like beauty, then hit that red button for me below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And then follow me on Instagram for my day-to-day highlights, living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. I think that's it. Until next week, bye.